I was playing around with the variant coding in the Airbag module. Before I started messing around with the settings, I didn't take note of the original settings, so when I was finished playing around with it, I had an SRS light on. I couldn't get it to go away because the coding was not correct, and there was multiple choices, so I had to go through it, and I was trying to figure it out. It took me like 2 hours, and finally I decided that I'm just going to reset the Airbag module. I didn't know that would be the easiest solution, but I ended up doing that, and this video is how I did it. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to go to Control Units, Body, Airbag, okay, so here you're going to go into Initial Startup. You'll probably press F2 a couple of times, and then you'll end up here. Okay, it was Germany. I'm changing it to USA. So all of these entries were already preset for me. I didn't have to set any of them. I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. And then I'm just going to press F3. Here we're just looking at the VIN read out from the vehicle and matching it with the VIN stored in the control module. Those two VINs have to match. In this case, they do match. So now I'm just curious to see what the variant coding is supposed to look like. Since I spent so much time playing with these codes, I'm going into the special settings to see what they're supposed to be now that they're reset. And here you see them. These are the correct settings. I played with these options for about 2 to 3 hours. It was not fun. As you can see, I've got no SRS light. Well, let's go ahead and turn it off. Turn it back on. We're good. Wow. Okay. Great. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more Mercedes-Benz repair videos.